Hello, assalamualaikum guys. So now I'm gonna save this tutorial, but firstly I'm just gonna duplicate this. Okay, so with duplicate you can do Ctrl J on your keyboard. So you can just choose this move tool. Okay, so I'm just gonna duplicate this and okay. I'm gonna make another Alright, that sounds good. And just Ctrl J. Ctrl plus to resize. Alright. So we're gonna change this color to red. You can also change the color here to red. Okay. And I think we're gonna add this. Okay. So I think that's so far so good. So now I'm just gonna block all and make everything nice. Okay. How if we make a little okay. Right. Oh, I think I have to make the new one, which is the eyebrow here. Okay, so Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, so now we're gonna add the font here. Hello. I'm Toya. No, I think no need. Okay. Okay guys, so this is a very simple artwork. So how if I wanna save this? So if I choose save as this, I'm gonna save in this PSD. Okay, so what is the best document to be saved? So we can just go with save to cloud or save on your computer. So let's just go with save on my computer. Okay, so in here you can choose either Photoshop or JPEG or PNG. Photoshop means you can still edit this document once you open it. Okay, so it's already exists. You wanna replace it? Yes. So means when you open, it's still gonna have these all layers and you can still be able to edit. Okay, but how is you save as and you save with JPEG or PNG, for example? Okay, so if you save with JPEG, you will not be able to edit the document anymore. Okay, but you can upload it to online. Okay, save it in your phone and whatever. Okay, so if you go with JPEG, this is how you're gonna go. Okay, make it quality 12 maximum and baseline standard. Okay, if you want to print, make sure you print with progressive scans 5. But if you don't want to print, baseline standard is fine with the quality maximum 12. Okay, so save it. So once you save it, you will not be able to edit it anymore. Means it's gonna be like okay, it's processing. Okay, see, so this is the week 1 lab JPEG. You can see that there is no layer anymore and you cannot edit. Okay, right, but if you open with the week 1 lab Photoshop, see, you can still have all the layers and you can edit the picture. Okay, so here it goes for saving document in Photoshop. Thank you so much for listening and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.